Hey, my name's Frank. Today I'm going to introduce how to import CSV file to the MySql Workbench and how to make some queries inside it. So first we need to just download two MySql softwares. So first we go to the website and we click the downloads button here. It takes some time, don't worry. And next we click community. And first, I want to download MySql community server. This is a free version. So since my operating system is Mac, so I want to just download this version here. I will skip the process of download, but just really keep in mind that after the installation of the community server, it will automatically generate a password for you. So I highly recommend you just take a screenshot that because we will use this password later. And next, after we just download the community server, I want to download MySql Workbench. And we click the button. Still, my operating system is Mac OS X, so I use this version for 64-bit here. I click the download button. Still skip the process, and next we go to the system preference. We can see a MySql button here. We click it and we start MySql server. It may require user password. Just tap it and you will see the MySql server instance is running now. And after we start MySql server, I want to use terminal to just change my password previously generated. So let's see. First, we want to change path to our MySql bin. That is user local /MySql/bin. Okay, we change the path, and next we want to just open the MySql by tab /root-p. Okay, command not find. Okay, I just missed the slash here. Okay, so we will now enter the password that we previously have a screenshot of this. We input the password. Okay, we just step inside the MySql, and now we just change. We want to change the password since it's so long. Set password for quotation root quotation at quotation localhost quotation equal password bracket quotation. So I use 2004 here. You can change everything you want, and just really remember we need a semicolon here. Okay, so we can see the query is okay here. Means we already changed our password to 2004. And we can use \q to just exit. Voila. Next, we just go inside the MySql Workbench and we click the add button here. And just so first we want to create a connection name. So I will name it tutorial. And we don't need to change the host name and port, but we want to test the connection, and we need to just enter the password we previously just changed. Okay, so we can just say it successfully made the MySql connection. Okay, so we click the OK button. There's a tutorial here. We can click and it will open. So first, we want to just make a schema that we can store some data or some tables into this schema. We click the create button here, and we name the schema still tutorial. Okay, we apply. Okay, apply again. Okay, so we can So we can hear just there's a tutorial schema here, and there are no tables here since we don't import any CSV file now. So now I give you guys a data set. It's it's a data set from the U.S. Department of Education on academic institutions that contains some information related to their like cities, uh, university name, zip, or some ethics, some cost, some admission rate. So now I want to just calculate what is the average SAT score for students admitted to a four-year college or university in 2013. So since there are no data on the number of admitted students, I assume that the number of admitted students is equal to the enrollment of all degree-seeking undergraduates divided by 4. So we want to use some SQL statement in our Workbench. So how to do that? First, we need to import CSV, and we can just right-click tables here. We click the table data import wizard. Okay, and we browse our file. We just import this data set. Next, and we name it. We can just 13 to 14 year. Okay, next. It may take some time. Maybe the data size is too large. Let's wait. Or we can see the data size is too large, so it may load very slow. And now we can see an error here, that is there are too many columns, over 1000 variables. So we can't import this CSV file. So if anyone who knows what is the maximum columns I can import to Workbench, please tell me, or please leave comments below. That is really just important to me. So it doesn't work for this data set. So I have to just extract the data I want to a small data set. So I extract the SAT average score and the undergraduate degree seeking here. This is a small data set, so we can try again. Okay, so we just import again, and this time we use this small data set. We name it question 1. Okay, so it's just load very quickly, and we can see there are 3 variables, and we want to change our SAT average score to int, or to int tab. We click next. Okay, next. Okay, now it will import data file. So I think one advantage that the Workbench is, it will automatically remove the null value or missing value in the data set. It's very good. Okay, so just now it's finished performing. We see that there are 14,000 records imported, and in our previously data set we found there are 7,000 observations, but many of them are missing values. So Workbench just remove these values. Okay, So now we click the refresh. Okay, so we can see the question 1 table here. So we want to say what's question 1 table. So I just input some MySql statement. We input select like start from tutorial. My question 1, and we want to limit to 5. And we can click this button to just make it look better. And we use command enter to perform this query. Okay, so we see there are 3 variables. So that is good. So now we want SAT score for students. So we can change our SQL statement to select some SAT average times UGDS, that is undergraduate degree seeking, divided by 4. So now we have the total SAT score, and we want to divide it by the total number of students. Okay, so we just delete this limit and just we execute again. Voila, so we can see that it just outputs one value, that is the average score for SAT is just 1095. It's pretty good. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you know how to just import CSV file with a large number of columns, please leave comments below. Thanks for watching. Peace.